Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to apply Indian passport in Canada. And the similar steps can be used for other locations as well. So basically, the very first thing we need to understand here is uh, every country where you are living now apart from India, away from India, they have their embassies or missions covering that region, right? So you need to check requirements as per your location, because if there are certain steps for Canada, at your location there could be something different. So you need to check your embassy or mission that is going to cover your region, because at some places it might be outsourced to a third party as well. For example, in Canada it is outsourced to BLS International. So I've opened this BLS International website and I'll just go for Toronto jurisdiction. So for passport services, they have the option new booklet or renewal. So they have given the criteria and information. Now fee is very important. And this fee in Canadian dollars, of course, based on your location, the currency and amount both will change. So it has got like fee for the service, consular fee, BLS service fee, and then it comes the total fee. Okay, so based on your situation, like for damage loss, they have something, reissue, they have something, Tatkal scheme, whichever is applicable for your case, you're gonna take that. Okay. Documents required is very important. So for Toronto jurisdiction, let's click here. Checklist, of course, this one. Online application, we are gonna go through Indian passport original code. So let's say a passport is gonna expire. So we will follow this one due to expiry of validity, exhaustion of visa pages. Proof of Canadian address, proof of Indian address, status in Canada, fee, photograph, of course. We'll go through that. Now at the bottom, they have provided the information. Okay. Okay. Online application will go through. Okay. Original copy we know. Annexure E will also go. Proof of address. Okay. Driving license, photo ID, provincial, utility bills. Okay. Status in Canada, information, of course. You need to provide your PR card, work, PR card information, work permit, study permit. Okay. Fee we have seen already. Photograph is very important. They have given the specification based on that. Additional documents based on your circumstances. Okay. So you can go through this. I don't have to walk you through all because it's not actually uh actually it's not like you gotta like I need to cover everything, because it varies case by case also. But you can go through this including the verification, like who needs to verify these before you submit, and then we can take anyway. Fine. Let's see form filling instructions. Fee is given. Application type this as per Indian passport. Okay. Annexure is required. Okay. Even for visa types, they have given information. Address. For PR candidates, printable address should be Canadian, other address should be Indian. For other, like temporary study permit, work permit, and visitor permit, printable address is Canadian, and other address should be Indian, but they have other option too. Acceptable address proof also they have given. Okay. Now health card with address mentioned it. I haven't seen such thing. Maybe. All right. So you can go through this. I don't have to walk you through all. But yeah, now we are going to the most important point, forms. Processing time, okay, forms. So annexure E will open. Okay, being applicant, so following, okay, family details. Okay, that I'm a citizen of India by birth. Okay, you need to select the right option. Signature, date, place. Okay, this kind of declaration very simple. For mention address from. Okay, perfect. All right, now going to the most important section, that is about online application form. So now we are going through how to fill this passport renewal form of India at outside India, or you can say Indian embassies and consulate. Okay. So the very first thing I would suggest here you is to select the region. So we'll select Americas if you're in Canada. All countries came, I select on Canada. Now it opens second page. Okay. Now this is to deliver passport services. Okay. So how to apply? First, we are going to click on register, login with ID password. Okay. Okay. And then you will click on the link for a new application. After submission, take a printout of the online submitted form. Okay. All right. So we'll start with registration. So you need to select your embassy consulate. Yeah. You need to select your country and based on your jurisdiction. I'm just selecting it. Name. Given name is mandatory, surname is not, but if you have provide date of birth, login ID is as email ID, password, confirm password, hint question, character. So I'm gonna fill this like I'm gonna get through this like I have someone Indian citizen. I can take their help and I'm gonna pass through this step and then I'll show you this guys. So stay with me. Okay, so what happens after you register, you get a link and I took help from someone and then you can log in using that link. I mean, you need to click on activate. So I'm going to ask them to log in and then I will show you the next steps. So here we have come. Okay. So they have also clarified the process that after you submit the form, you know, take the required supporting documents, print out, and then go to the embassy consulate like as I had shown you. And then you need to follow their relevant process. So you have so many options here. So of course, like renewal, you are going, we'll go from here. So fresh passport reissue. So if you are like renewal, we'll go for this. Reissue reason, change in validity expired within 3 years due to expire. Okay. Type of application, normal Tatkal. Which kind you want? Click on next. Okay. So you need to fill some like information. Can I show you other pages? No. I'm just trying to give information. Okay, this is sample guys. Of course, I'm not going to submit this. Like will kill the application, will not submit it, but just to give you an option way how to do this. Gender. Have you ever been on the names? No. Have you ever changed your name? So, no. Date of birth. Is your baby out of India? Select no. Matter citizenship of India by birth, whatever. And they have asked all this information. Voter ID, PAN card, and if you have, definitely provide. Government servant is eligible for non-ECR category. Aadhaar number, mark, send. Okay, see, they have information. Next, family details, applicant address details, emergency contact, previous passport details, other details, passport preview. So you have to go through it. So I'm just going to put some sample details. Okay, do it as per your guess. status, single, employment type. Let me see if I can go to educational qualification. Where did I miss it? Oh, here, mandatory question. Family details. This is not mandatory. Can I bypass it? But you provide it. I'm just the sample video, so I'm doing this. Okay. Father given name, mother given name, legal. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Peter, Rana, Peter, if applicable. Presence of at Indian address. Okay. Applicant address detail. The passport out of India? Yes. Indian address for police verification. Region, country where you are. So I'll select sample, guys. Address line, village, town, city, zip code, country. I'll just say so TTT. Mobile number. Is your other address outside of India? Because we selected here Canada, that's why. So now they're asking for some details. I'll just put sample. You do your guess. Wow. House number. Village. Sample, guys. Specify India's passport printable and now I'm leaving printing special foreign address and passport. Emergency contact details. Wow. Name, phone number. George Smith. Mobile number. Okay. Next. In the days of latest or existing lost damage, ordinary passport. Can I bypass? Have you ever applied for passport but not issued? I'm just bypassing it, but you provide all the. Oh, can't. You can get these details from your passport, so just don't go by what I'm doing here. Other details. Are you proceeding? Now criminal proceeding information and refuse denied passport, convicted by a court. If you have applied or if you have granted foreign citizenship. And then in the next section, you are going to review and then final verification. So I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to our channel. I mean, after you do, take a printout and the steps I have already shown you earlier in the video how to go and apply. Now, just to walk you through once more. Yeah, so you'll do this and then you can do one thing like you can book an appointment. Now it again can vary based on your location. So let's say if you're in Toronto, you need passport facility. You can select there's no slot in this jurisdiction. Then I go for Winnipeg. Yeah, Winnipeg has a lot of availabilities. So you can select a slot and then from there you can go through. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.